Today, I'd like to start off by thanking Living Miracle Homestead. Kathy was kind enough to bring me this bag, which was completely full of lychee seeds. So I want to show everybody what I've been doing with the lychee seeds. Now, there are a few key things that you want to do when you're trying to sprout lychee seeds. One is they've got to be fresh and they can't be dried out at all. So definitely keep them moist. Then I take them and I put them in a cup and let them soak in a cup like this one for 24 hours. After they've soaked real good for 24 hours, I just put them in a tray. This is a good reuse of a tray because you can make a little greenhouse out of it. Put just enough dirt in it and tap it down. You don't want to overfill it. Take your lychees, and you're not really going to bury them in it. You're going to just barely press them into the sand, into the soil sideways. Don't try to stand them up. Put them in sideways. Do not cover them with the soil. Just barely press them into the soil that you're putting them in. Close it up. Set it somewhere very warm. I'm talking around 85 degrees out of the direct sun. This is what I mean about putting them in sideways. They're laying on their side and they're just barely in the dirt. They're not even completely covered. Probably 18 or 20 or so in here. This is what they look like when they sprout. Once you have them sprouted, and this is where I'm actually getting to the point of I need to take them and pot them up in a half-a-gallon pot. You don't want to take too long to transplant these out. You don't want the roots to get entangled. Just go ahead, just pop them up right after you see them sprouting. Plant them up. And because they're still very young, you don't want to put them in the direct sun. So you need to sit them off in the shade in about the same conditions that you were originally sprouting the seed in. Thank you, Kathy at Living Miracle Homestead. Looks like I'm going to get a decent amount of these. If you don't know Kathy, check her out. It's Living Miracle Homestead. Great channel. She does live streams twice a week and videos 2 to 3 times a week. You have a great day.